Hello, my name is Thomas, and for this scenario, I would choose a stack as the best data structure or model to model the behavior of the supply basket in the garden simulator game. The reason I would choose a stack is because the game describes behavior that follows the last in, first out, or LIFO principle. This means the most recently added item is the first one that gets used. In the scenario, the player can only plant the seeds that they most recently picked up until those seeds are completely used. For example, if the player picks up a pile of pumpkin seeds and later pick up tomato seeds, they must plant all the tomato seeds before they can go back and plant the pumpkin seeds. Since the newest seed must be used first, a stack is the best fit for this situation. To implement this, when the player finds a new pile of seeds, the game would push that pile onto the top of the stack, which adds it to the supply basket. Then when the player plants seeds, the game would pop seeds from the top of the stack, meaning it removes the most recently added seed pile first. If there are still seeds remaining in that pile, it could stay at the top of the stack until all those seeds have been used. The time complexity for adding new seeds to the supply basket would be 0 up to 1, or constant time, because pushing an item onto a stack happens very efficiently. The time complexity for removing seeds from the supply basket would also be a 0 1, because removing or popping from the top of the stack also happens in constant time. Finally, the time complexity for checking it if the supply basket is empty is 0 1, because the program only needs to check whether the stack contains any items. Overall, a stack is the optimal data structure because it matches the game's requirements of using the most recently collected seeds first, while also providing efficient performance for adding, removing, and checking whether the basket is empty. Thank you, and hope you enjoyed the video.